Hello, this is Venus from Heart's Desire by Venus, and for those of you who are joining me, this is the fourth installment of the hashtag Christmas in July 2022 project. This is a collaboration with Sweet Pea Papers, Lisa's Paper, Lace and Bling, and there are quite a few of us collaborators on this project. If you've been following through, I have been making a paper bag mini journal for this project. So today I'm going to show you what I've been working on. But before I go any farther, I'm going to remind you, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you'll see what I'm doing when I'm doing it. And hopefully you will follow along and make your own creation of this. And if you do, please put it up on my Heart's Desire, my Heart's Desire Facebook group. And let's see what you're creating. So in the press... Sorry about that. In the past few videos, we have constructed the paper bag album. I've embellished it. I've done the closures. And we have sewn in the signatures. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing since I last saw you. So this is a ribbon closure here that I've stitched in. I've just embellished with a button and some trim here. Some of the cutouts from the paper pack that I'm using, which I will put in the link below. So on the front cover, I have a pull-out here that I've stitched around. I've used a whale tail tab, stitched some flowers back to back on there with a bit of a bead. And I have just made a journal card in there, and that slides in the front cover part of our paper bag album. Then it opens up. And let's make sure I'm in screen here. I created this belly band, which we did do on screen, with some fabric there and some lace, and it's glued in, so it's pretty secure. We've double matted the pages here and did a little bit of stitching around. I created another journal tag here. And yes, I did stamp that notes upside down. Well, I guess not. No, it's not. Maybe it is, but it's okay. So it's just a little journal card in there. These are one of the tags from the kit. It's a beautiful kit, I have to say. It's definitely my style. And I've left a journaling spot on the back there. When you open it up this way, get that all out of there. This is the cover there. And again, some more embellishments from the kit that I've cut out and pasted on here. Lots of journaling spots I left in this. And this is the first page of the first signature. Okay, and one of the pockets from the kit here. And I just created a little tab here, a little journal tag. Slide in there. Let's see. And on this page here, you've got a flip out here. Make sure I'm in screen. There we go. Little flip out with a spot to put some more journaling. It's joined by some washi tape there. And then we have got a pocket here. Well, this is a journal booklet I created. Just accordion folds this way, little spot this way, so you can just put some little writing on. And then for this here, this is one of the cards out of the journaling cards out of the kit. But basically what I did is I put 2 Velcro dots, joined it with some washi tape, and just made a little bit of a hidden journal spot, but also a little side pocket to put that in. Just a few more of the embellishments from the kit there. Another little pocket here with a little journal card. And this is one of the edge pieces that was in the kit. So basically I trimmed it out, glued it on, just made a little tuck spot here. So I've got one of the journaling cards. I just made a little tag here out of one of the papers, tucked it in, and a little journal booklet here. As you can see, plenty of spaces for journaling, and I just tucked those in, just in the tuck spot there. So this one here, again, I just created a little tuck spot with one of the journal cards, and I used the little mini postcard here as a journal card to put in there. Some more coffee dyed paper, some lace dyed coffee papers here, Here I did this another little flip up. So it's a little, one of the little postcards with some washi tape, and I just flipped it up, put a little Velcro enclosure on there so that you could have a little hidden journal spot. So it goes down and seals. Okay. Then you've got, that's the end of the first signature. Then you've got your paper bag here again. I made a journal card, stitched all the way around it, added some trim and lace, a flower on each side again. And because this is where we joined those two bags together, put that in there, we have a double pocket. So there, I did another journal card in here. Now, for anybody, when you see the link that I put for this kit on here, because it's a beautiful kit, it was white based. Now, this is just a little tip I've discovered over the years. Sometimes I don't want the base digital print that I've got to be as white as the ones they've got. Sometimes I want the vintage look. So what I did with this was I printed this kit on coffee dyed paper so that it gave it a bit of this, you can see here, mottled background, coffee dyed, a vintage look, not disrupting the digital print at all, but definitely adding a little bit more age to it so I wouldn't have to distress everything as much. It was just as simple as running it through coffee dyed paper and printing it out. So it's definitely something to keep in mind. If you want to add something a little different, you know, to your paper background, you could do that with any kind of color as long as it works with the print that you've got. Just trying to get this back in the pocket spot. There we go. Okay, so that's the double paper bag pocket. So on the back of this pocket, we did another one of those belly bands. And this one I have just stuffed full. So I got just a little tag here with some lace and a flower and a brad. Just slide that under. Just a plain journal card in there. A journal card with double matted and stitched. And this time I got the notes on the right, the word notes on the right way. A couple of tags out of the kit, which I really love. The vintage scenes. And then these are one of the tags. I really liked these. At first I was like, I don't know. But when I fussy cutted them out, they already had that bow on there. And I have to say, I really like it. It worked out really nice. And it just added a little bit of dimension to your page with those sticking out. Some more of the digital paper from the kit here. On here I did another little journal flip out. So you've got a hidden journal spot there. Next page I've just left plain for whatever kind of journaling you want with the kit here. Then I did a belly band here. Now in the kit there was just this big, I don't know, I think it's a border. It's supposed to be a border piece. I'm not sure. So I fussy cutted it all out, this bow, which I thought was super cute. And I just folded it over and glued it to made it into a belly band. And then I made a little accordion book here. Open it up this way with lots of journaling spots. Slid that in there. Another little journal card. This is from her kit as well. And then two of the tags from the kit. Again, I fussy cutted those out. So I was really enjoying those. And it just added, like I said, a little dimension to the top part here. And then we're in the middle of the second signature. Some more of the papers in there. Left a lot of spots for journaling. I've got another tuck spot here with one of the little postcards from the kit. And then I just added another one that I cut out. Some more journal spots. And then we are at the back side of the paper bag album. So here we are. We're at the absolute back. Don't forget though, we do have a pocket that we created here. Again, another one stitched and everything in there. And then the back side also flips out just like the front side with some more journaling spots here. All bound with the lace and fabric spine on there so that it's nice and strong. Secured with a little piece of ribbon. And that is it. As simple as that. Makes a great gift. Fun, fast. You can just do one for each year. It's something nice. You can add your photos in there and everything. Makes also a good teacher gift. Anything like that. thank you for coming out and checking out this hashtag Christmas 2020 project. I've been having a lot of fun, and hopefully you follow through with all the other collaborators. I did put the list below, and join in on their projects and check out what everybody's doing. I can't believe how different we all are on our projects with this. So it's been kind of fun following through with everybody, and hopefully I will see you again soon. Have a great day.